be 12 a.m., which can only mean one thing. We're gonna clean my room. Now, I picked the wrong day to do this because I am so tired. I went to a baby shower today and I stayed up until 3 a.m. last night playing a game with my sister and friends. I may give up in the middle and try again in the morning or when I wake up, but let's just get into it. Alright, so first we're gonna start with cleaning up all of my makeup that I have thrown on the floor. I did my makeup today, but that is also not the reason that my makeup is thrown all over the floor. My makeup is thrown all on the floor because I haven't cleaned it up since senior makeup. So like, I took pictures for my Instagram the other day and I took some videos. I did my makeup on Wednesday and I haven't cleaned it up since then either. Today is, I guess it's Sunday. Yeah, so it's Father's Day. I'm gonna call my dad later when it's not 12 a.m. in the morning. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just gonna clean up my makeup. I guess I'll do a time lapse or something. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick up and put away the clean clothes that I just have on the floor, like right here. Yeah, don't ask me why I have them there because I don't know the answer to that either. So So I have now moved all the things that are over here. Well, no, I moved the clothes of mine that are over here. There's a puffer jacket over here which I'm gonna be donating somewhere, so that's why it's there. I don't really know where to put it right now, but I'm gonna move it. And there's just some other random stuff over here. There's a few books and things, so I'm gonna put them away. Yeah. Okay, literally I have like work from Spanish class. I have some random math work here. And I have more Spanish work. Somehow I still managed to have makeup out. My room is not very big. I mean, I don't know if you could tell. I don't really know. Nobody's ever been in my room except a few people. And by a few people, I literally only mean like the people that live in my house and like one other person. Or like a few other people. I'm just going on at this point, so honestly I'm just gonna put this stuff back and then I'm gonna go put this stuff in places and then I'll come back and we'll talk about what I'm gonna do next. Okay, now I'm gonna do a time lapse of me just picking up things off the floor, putting them away in different places, stuff like that. But before I do that, first of all, can you stop making me look so pale? Wow. You know, okay, whatever. So one night, it was like 2 a.m. in the morning. I was laying in my bed, right? And my blinds decided to fall off. And it scared me. Because I was like, what just happened, you know? And then my blinds just fall off.
Like my curtains had already fallen off. One time I was in the bed, going to sleep. And my curtain rod decides to fall off. It almost hit me in the head. Like, I don't know what is wrong with my windows, but I was this close to the window when the curtain rod fell. And let me take these off because there's a glare. When the curtain rod fell. So I almost got a concussion because my curtain rod decided to fall.
Here's me and my blinds. We've been together for about 5 years now, until recently when the blinds decided to fall off and almost kill me. It didn't almost kill me, but it did spook me. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I'm glad you listened. That was a fun story that nobody asked for. Okay, so I got all the main like random stuff off my floor. I'm gonna vacuum my floor tomorrow though because it's late and I don't want to bother anybody with the vacuum, so I'm gonna do it in the morning. But now I have a pile of dirty clothes on my floor that have been here for a minute, and I know you're probably like,
Kristen, that is so dirty.
But I don't really care. I'm gonna wash them in the morning too. I'm just not washing them tonight because I'm not gonna do them tonight, and I know I'm not gonna do them tonight. So I'm just gonna like kind of like make them not such as an eyesore, but it's like a really big pile. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I might just like fold them because I can. My floor looks 10 times better. I'm not gonna show y'all because there is like just random pieces of trash on the floor. Alright, so when I went and got this trash bag, I didn't know that I already had a trash bag right there. I don't even wear that many clothes. I literally don't leave my house. Okay, here's my pile of dirty clothes that no one asked for. This all right here is just clothes. That's socks. And that is towels. So now we're moving into this section. There's not a lot over here. That right there, that purple thing, is literally my curtains because my rod broke and I haven't put them up. That's why this Stranger Things blanket is here. I'm not even gonna show this being clean, but just know this is gonna be look better. Okay, so after I like pick up this stuff on the floor right here, I'm gonna like get the random stuff off of my bed. So yeah, that's about to come up right after this. Alright, so I'm not actually gonna make my bed right now. I'm just gonna like get the stuff that doesn't need to be on it off of it. I was literally already laying in my bed. That's why it's like not made. I'm not gonna make it because I'm about to get right back in it to go to sleep. Also, time check-in. It is 1:01. Make sure you drink some water. You gotta stay hydrated, and I'm gonna do it right now. This is your reminder to drink water. So honestly, the last thing that I need to do tonight is clean off this bedside table. This came from tonight because I got some wings and this was lemonade. This is my water, so I'm gonna leave that there. I'm gonna throw this away. This is a bottle from a few days ago. And yeah, so I'm just gonna clear all of this off. After I clean off that table, that is all I'll have to do tonight until tomorrow when I have to vacuum the floor and wash those clothes. Okay, so I just finished cleaning my bedside table off. I'll show you. That's all I'm gonna leave on it right now. Don't mind like the little like this table is old and this is nail polish and I don't know what that is. I think that's paint peeling, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, so all I have on there is my little piggy bank thing, the Tootsie Roll, whatever, Vaseline, a speaker, my water bottle, and my BTS. What is that, a lamp? I don't know. Okay, also, I know y'all like my posters. Alright, it's the next morning, so yeah, I'm about to go wash my clothes and make my bed and then vacuum my floor. Just gonna do a quick little time lapse of me making my bed. Okay, I'm about to vacuum the floor. I literally don't know where to put y'all, but we'll figure it out. Okay, I have vacuumed my floor and my clothes are now out of the dryer, so that means that we have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please do not hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe if you did not. Thank you. Goodbye.